In this video, we will go through how to add product details to your product. We will first need to go to the Products tab and select the product you wish to start completing. You will see the section Product Details. This is currently in orange as it is awaiting completion. Once you click on it, it will take you to answer the necessary details. First, you will have the optional field to provide a brief description of your product. Then, you can input your product's HS code. You can either find it in the list or just type it into the box. These are the approved HS codes that are provided. Next, you will select the product's country of origin and, if available, the region. You will need to select the manufacturing site. This will show the list of the sites in which you have added. To add a site, please go to the Sites tab, and this can be done here. Then, you will input the type of exterior packaging. This is how the product has been packaged, for example, in a plastic pot or plastic wrap. Now, you will need to input the weight of the product. First, you will select the weight type, either units or cases. For a mixed case of products, please use units. If it is not a mixed case, or it is a single unit of product, then use case weight. Then input the net weight and the gross weight, both are measured in kilograms. The next section is regarding the ingredients. If you have a photo of the ingredients label, then you can upload this here. When you upload a photo of the ingredients, please ensure this is a clear photo and it is uploaded as a JPEG, GIF, PNG, TIFF or BMP. As these are the only supported image formats, I have uploaded an image of an ingredients label to show as an example. We will just wait a moment whilst the tool is pulling out all of the information. When you upload an image, the tool will identify each ingredient from the label and categorize it into food groups. Please review all generated information and double-check, as the tool may not always be completely accurate. You can add any ingredients that are missing. If you do not have an ingredients label to upload, you can add each of these manually. Finally, you will then need to add the food group proportions, with your total product being 100%. You will need to provide the percentages of each of the food groups. For example, if the product was made up of dairy, plant and other, you will need to put in the percentages of each to total 100. Now that this is completed, you can go back to the product and review the information. You can also edit this section if you wish. Once this section is completed, this is now ready for the health information to be completed next.